Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to build simple but awesome music player using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We will add play, pause, stop and even a progress bar to control the song smoothly. So if you are excited to learn, make sure to stick around till the end. And in this is a heading tag and this is a three buttons and this is a progress bar, and in this video we need three files to write our code. First, index.html. Here we write our structures code, and this is a style.css, and here we write styling code for structures, and this is a script, and here we write logic logical code to write in JavaScript form, and this is a music folder, and you can add in here musics. So make sure to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started today videos. We write a HTML structure code. First, give a title, music player. Then create a div with class name, player, and add here heading tag and give music player, and give audio tag. This tag loads the song and has an ID of audio for JavaScript control. Then give another div with class name controls and add three buttons: play, pause and stop, each with a unique ID for JavaScript to control them. Then change ID name. Then add another div with class name progress control content. Then here use input of type range to create a progress bar to seek through the song. Let's see output. Then we add CSS link to an external style sheet. Then give body styles. Give display flags. justify content center, align item center, vertically and horizontally. At keep 100 bs. Uh, it's take a full screen and background color dark and white text. It's a good color. Your choice, you can give your own background color, then give margin and set the white color for text, then give player css, give text align center, background color dark with a rounded corner and shadow, padding 20 pixel, it's a better, border radius 10 pixel, then give box shadow, they need button styles, give button color blue, border none, padding 10 pixel, margin 5 pixel and cursor pointer and border radius 5 pixel. Then we give button hover. When we click button, then change the color automatically. You can see here. Then another CSS for progress bar. Margin top 10 pixel. Then another is progress ID. This is mix the progress bar sketch to fill the container with. Then another we add a script in JavaScript code, links to an external JavaScript file. Then we write a script code. Then we create audio variables. Then we add a get element by id to link HTML element with the JavaScript. We do 3 times. Create another variable, play, and do work same to link HTML element with JavaScript. Then another create a variable, pause button, and do work same. Another create stop button and again do work same. Then create a progress and do work same to link HTML element with JavaScript. Then we create event listener, play buttons. This starts playing the audio. This event listener starts the playing audio play. Then we create another event listener, pause button. It's from we pauses the audio when we when we are playing music. Audio dot pause. This function work. Stop the music. Then which songs are playing. Then give another event listener. This event listener works to show time update. Audio current time divided audio duration, multiply 100. Then we add progress bar for event listener. These updates based on the current time of the song and allow user to seek by clicking on the progress bar. Progress value by 100, multiply audio duration. Then let's check our final output. Let's check Click on play button. Once again play and stop. You can add your own song. Once again we click a play button, then music will start, and click a pause button. Pause. At last we have successfully built a simple music player using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new today. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more web development tutorials and hit an bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Till then, happy coding.